Hey there, this is Ken Howard here at Manhattan Beach Toyota, and I have something exciting to show you today. This is the all-new Sienna XLE in the Cypress Green. New special feature that they got on this is the door. It has a kick activated gate, and I'm going to show you how that works. All you got to do is have this key right here in front of you, and as long as this is in your pocket, you'll be able to open the door quite simply. The old-fashioned way, you would just give it a little pull on the handle, and it would open as so. And then to close it, same thing, just give it a close. Now a new feature, say your hands are a little bit full, it's a little too hard to be grabbing the handle, you can push the little button right here, and then you can close it the same way. Now let's say you got your hands full, you got the groceries, you got the baby in your arm, whatever it might be. As long as you've got that key in your pocket and you're within proximity, it has the kick activated door. And you can even close it the same way. All you gotta do is give it a kick. Now, the other great thing is this foot activated door also works all the way around on here on the back too. So come with me. So same thing, you just got to give it a quick little kick right underneath the center of the bumper there, and voila. Now if your hands are full and you got to put stuff in there, it makes it a lot quicker and easier to do. Now this is just one of the many features now on the Sienna. Of course there is more other features, so please, if you have any questions or comment, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. This is Ken Howard, Manhattan Beach Toyota. Feel free to give us a call anytime. And thank you for watching the video. We'll see you next time.